I automated my entire farm. And honestly, it is just wild. What if you could run an entire farm without doing most of the work yourself? I decided to find out, and what happened next completely changed the way I farm. Instead of guessing what my crops need, my farm now sends the answers straight to my tablet before I even step into the field. Then, at sunrise, the drones take off. They scan thousands of plants in minutes. But then my tablet showed something I wasn't expecting. One section of the farm was already showing signs of trouble. The AI detected a tiny change in the plants before the damage became obvious. Without automation, I might not have noticed it until it was too late. And this is where things got crazy. My tractor started working, completely on its own. No hands, just pure tech. Instead of treating the entire field equally, the tractor follows precise digital maps. Even irrigation became intelligent. The system checks soil moisture and automatically delivers water only to the areas that actually need it.
Then the weather suddenly changed. A storm was approaching, and the farm knew about it before I did.
Within seconds, systems switched into emergency mode. The drones came home, irrigation stopped, and the tractor moved out of danger.
For hours, the storm hammered the farm, and for the first time, I wasn't running around trying to save everything myself. When morning came, I expected disaster. Instead, most of the farm looked surprisingly healthy. Then I checked the numbers. Less wasted water, fewer unnecessary operations, better monitoring, and the biggest surprise was still coming. By harvest day, the entire system was working together. Drones watching from above, sensors monitoring below, and machines. I started this experiment wondering whether smart farming was really worth the investment. After seeing the results, I finally had my answer.
This isn't farming without farmers. It's farming with technology doing what machines do. It's already here. It's already here. Would you automate your farm like this?